9th June 2023, 5:53 p.m. It's not drizzling, it's raining here at Mondolai, Pandua, Hooghly, West Bengal now. You can hear the rumbling of the sky, the thunder. There's no lightning as of now, but it's still going on raining since last half an hour or more. I intend to go out, however, because of the rain I am unable to, so waiting for the rain to stop so that I can move out. Let's see when the rain stops. However, it's good to have rain after a prolonged gap of several months. It was almost drought-like here. So humid, so hot for so many days and months. It's a relief to have rain. So though I want to go out, and for that I wait for everyone on a larger scale, I wish the rain continues so that the environment becomes cooler, the weather, the temperature, everything. The soil should get some water. The plants, they will all become afresh after the rain. So let's leave it to the Almighty, and accordingly I'll go out now or later, or not even today, tomorrow. Let's see. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Bohemian Biker, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you everyone.